Hey everybody, it's Amanda here with Two Structures Homes. I want to show you our Williams floor plan that we have over here in Sierra Vista. We can build this floor plan in any of our communities that we have available. So let's take a look. So from the outside, you'll see a cute front porch, hardy board siding, window above the garage, landscaping that we put in that's included with every home, Therma-Tru front door, and then let's take a look at the home. Okay, so you first walk into the home. We have a nice open setup here. Kitchen is absolutely gorgeous. These whites and grays are a really great choice. And then right here we have a pantry. Look at the size. Cute. All right, so if we turn around, this is the living area. So most people choose to put their TV right on this wall, L-shaped couch or a long couch with a chair. And then right here is the dining room. So this home is 1,650 square feet, 4 bedrooms or 3 bedrooms and an office. Really nice closet here. And then we have our water turn off right there. Makes it easy in case something ever happens. Don't have to go outside to turn it off. You turn it off right there. And then your network boxes. Okay, so we're in the front of the home. So let's walk back towards the master. This home is a really cute covered patio. And here's our master. It's a really good size, could fit a king bed, 2 nightstands, a couple dressers nicely. And then here's our bathroom. So this is our Lifetime series. We have a shower pan and then top mount sinks, granite countertop, tile surround, and 2 shelves. And then over here we have our master closet. And with us, you get to design your closet. So you'll get to choose how many boxes you want like that and how many racks you want. Okay, so let's head back towards the bedrooms, the other bedrooms. All right, so we're walking back to the bedrooms. We have our laundry room. Front bedroom. Nice size closet. And then we have some built-in shelving. Goes pretty deep in there. Full bathroom, guest bathroom, or kids bathroom. And then lastly, we have our last bedroom. Some really great storage in here. Here we go. Thanks for touring with me. If you have any questions, please let us know.